Hello, Assalamu alaikum. You have learned about the numbers and you are going to put them into the column of unit tens and hundreds in your class nursery till class 3. Then in class 4 and in class 3 you have learned about the 4-digit number, that is 1000. Then in class 4 you have also learned about the 5 and the 6-digit numbers and 7-digit numbers. So let's review about the 6-digit numbers. Place value of the whole number. You have whatever you have learned is the are about the whole numbers. The number can be represented into the two systems, international place value system and Pakistani place value system. Place value of the 6-digit number. International place value system, you will be having the first house is of unit house and it is consisting of 3 rooms, unit, 10 and 100. Then the next house is of 1000 house and it is also consists of 3 rooms, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. The two houses will be separated by with each other by a boundary wall which is called comma. How would you read it? Just read the number written in the 1000 houses. 607, it will be written as, it will be read as 607. Then you will write the house name in the end, 1000. Then 827, 827. Then Pakistani place value system. The first house is similar to the international place value system, that is unit. The second house is of 1000, but it consists of 1000 and 10,000, means 2 rooms. Then the 6th digit in Pakistani place value is called lakh, is the new house and is the first member of the lakh house. Each house will be separated by the comma again. From the right hand side you will insert the comma, but in the Pakistani place value system you will insert after the first comma will be inserted after the 3 digit, but the rest of the comma will be inserted after every 2 digit. So can you see 653 are 3 digits and then we will be having the comma. Then 7 and 8, the 2 digit leave and put the comma, and this house is incomplete right now. So we will read it at 6,87,556. Then you will be having the 7-digit number. The first house in international system is units and is similar to the 6-digit numbers slide. Then you will be having 1000. It is also consisting of 3 rooms and the 7th digit is called million. Again, in the international place value system, you will insert the comma from the right hand side and after every 3 digit you will put the comma. See, unit tens 100 comma, 1000 10,000 100,000 comma, and million is the incomplete house. 3,607,827. Then you will be having Pakistani place value system. In the Pakistani place value system, the first house is unit house, the second house is 1000 house consisting of 2 rooms, and the third house is lakh house, and now it is complete. The 7 digits is 10 lakh. Now, how would you read it? 16 lakh 87,827. Then you will be having the new task which you will learn for the first time is the 8-digit number. In the international place value system, the place value chart is same as in the 7-digit number. Unit tens 100, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, and its tens will come as the 8 digits. How would you read it? 23,607,827. In the Pakistani place value system, the first house is of unit house, 827. The second house is of thousand house. Then the third house is of lakh house. It is complete, as you can see. The 10 lakh is the 7 digit, and the 8 digit is crore. How would you read it? 5 crore 16 lakh 87,827. In this, you will insert the first comma after 3 digit. Then after every 2 digit, can you see you will be having the comma. Then place the 9-digit number in the place value chart. In the place value chart for the 9-digit number, the first house is of unit house consisting of 3 rooms. The second house is of thousand house. The third house is of million house, and all 3 houses consisting of 3 rooms. Unit 10, 100, thousand, it's tens, it's 100, million, it's tens, it's 100. Now what happens if the number is written without the place value chart? How would you read it? Then you will insert the comma from right hand side, and after every three digit or after every family from the right hand side, you will insert the comma. And the number becomes 987, 654, 321. Then you will be having Pakistan place value system. It is consisting of houses of units consisting of 3 rooms. Thousand, it consists of 2 rooms. Lakhs, it also consists of 2 rooms. Then crore, it's crore and 10 crore. How would you read it if it is without place value chart? You will insert the comma from right hand side, and then the first comma will be inserted after 3 digit, but the rest of the comma will be inserted after every 2 digit. Now it will be read as 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. For example, if the number name is given to you and you are going to ask to make the numeral value of that number name, you must follow some steps that identify the system, whether it is Pakistani or international. How would you identify? You will identify it by the comma. Then identify the biggest value given in the number name. If whether it is crore, 10 crore or 100 million or 10 million, what will be the biggest value? Do the placing of the respective system till the biggest value. First identify the biggest value and then do the placing starting from the unit till the biggest value given in the number. Then insert the number according to in each column. For example, you will be having 44 crore 19,400. In this, the system is because crore is written over here, so system is Pakistani. The missing highest value in crore house, we have 44. Its 2-digit number means crores 10 is present, 10 crore is present. The missing value is lakh house is absolutely absent over here, and the hundreds value and the unit value of the unit house is also not given. So the first do the placing from unit, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So in the crore house, you will write down the number written before it. 44. Lakh house is locked. They are on vacation. So we will put zeros in the lakh house. In the thousand house, we will be having the number 19 is 19. And then in the unit house, only 400. How would you write the 400? 400. This is a reference video. Now you are going to do your assignments. Thank you.